You done done your lines.
Oh,
I can't even get through.
no.
Never mind.
No, it's okay to walk on these lines. These lines are not for aesthetics. These lines is just literally to clean the carpet.
Oh, I forgot that they shot out of my cup.
What? How do you forget that? When you make a messy, you clean it right away. You don't walk away.
Stay to your room. Georgia, stop recording me. Flat was dead, bin full, shit everywhere. When I come up in 10 minutes, it better be bloody tidy.
Pav, your mom has OCD and a plumber is coming to the house. Made me clean the whole house at 7 Had to change clothes for times because I touched something dirty.
Dit is mijn moeder met OCD. It's 3:45.
Yes. And normal people eat at this time.
Dinner?
Yeah.
Okay.
At mami nou ka doen hier, maar ayos mami.
Wat wil ik doen? Ik ben heel droom op schoon, maar...
Nou was tayo mami sa drum.
Kijk, je baas, maar die ben met kak vragen, alsjeblieft.
En als tayo mami sa plant.
Hé,